lady. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I didn't want to be chugging out of the bottle, you know?
All right, we're gonna do a little sound check.
Oh, okay. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Look at my guest. It's my husband.
Yay, James.
Yay, James.
All right, so sound check is approved.
Yes?
But you know what? From the inception of this show, PR Unboxing in LA, I always sat there.
No, this is my good side.
No.
Fight me.
Okay, we'll fight.
No, James, no.
Yes. Why do you think I stacked all the packages here?
Hi, I'm Tati, and my husband and I are gonna have a little bicker fest while we open this video.
Oh God. Testing.
James is mad at me now.
No, but you always win, and that's okay. I'm all right with that.
Happy wife, happy life.
That's my saying. All right. Hey guys, welcome to today's PR unboxing. For those of you wearing headphones, hey guys, welcome to today's video. It's a PR unboxing classic with Tati and James. This is your host Tati. I'm your trusted sidekick James, and we're going to be opening up all sorts of PR boxes.
He already sliced them open. You're not going to get the satisfaction of shoo, shoo, or me playing with a knife because
I pre-sliced some of them, yes, but I did not slice all sides. What do we have? We've got Glow Recipe.
Ooh.
See, that wasn't sliced all the way open.
We have some lip products here from Glow Recipe. I am excited about this, a glass-like shine. This is their glass balm. There are 4 shades. Let's give a scent check on this one right here. Ooh, that smells like Bubblicious watermelon gum.
Right?
Yummy. I mean, I'm already wearing a very shiny, plumping MAC lip gloss right now. I will have everything on my face wearing all of this stuff in the description box below. Check it out. These look really promising. I love a glassy balm.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh,
The
velour.
lash that literally stacks.
Self-adhesive stacking lashes. Oh, hey. I have some vodka here that neither of us can drink. James is 30 years sober. What are you?
No, I'm 29 years and 6 months.
Ding, ding. And none for me either because I'm also, well, you're not a queen,
Sober
but I'm a
queen.
sober queen. He's a sober king. We'll be passing this one along.
Okay, what is next? I think it's holo taco.
Some holo taco, you guys. I'm back in my away from the nude pink nail moment. I am currently wearing OPI Cajun Shrimp, matchy woman. Let's see what is new from holo taco. I love some holo taco polishes. Let's check out the level of shine and glitter in here. Let me know in the comments what shade do you want to see on my nails. And I hope you guys are all enjoying the thumb nail polish trick. If you have not seen that in action, I will link the video below that houses a bunch of beauty secrets.
L'Occitane.
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 This is good, you guys. Okay, the almond oil, anything, whether it is the body oil, body serum, the shower oil, I love the scent of this so much. And now it has shimmer in it. It smells so good.
You should come to my room later.
Okay. This is the almond oil shimmering oil. This just looks really beautiful. Glass bottle. The elegance, superb.
Oh.
Is this a bra?
Completely.
What is this?
Yes.
This is a bra?
Yes.
Did I really get sent a bra?
You got sent a bra?
Actually, like metallic-y, but neutral and beautiful. I love finding no wire bras. You guys know I like the Spanx one. I think it's great to wear under a blouse. I will be trying this on ASAP because I hate underwire bras. I think they're so uncomfortable. It drives me so mad.
I think that's like an extender.
This has an extender. This is really cool. What's this company?
Comfort.
Comfort.
Ah, cat rice.
We've got some cat rice coming up hot. We have, you know what? I'm so on top of it. I've already tried all of these and I approve. So I will be gifting this in the near future. We have the Blushing Charm Multi-Sticks, which are similar to the Huda Beauty. And then the Magic Shine Eraser, which literally looks so crazy. I just have to pull this out and show you guys. This won't add any bulk to your makeup, but it will reduce shine really easily, similar to the Mally's Beauty.
It looks empty.
It does. It looks like, where's the product? Hello, what's in here? But it actually is this kind of pressed, I don't even know that you would call it a gel. It's just a really interesting touch-up product. I love it.
You're not giving it away now.
I'll put it on you. This is great for men too. Let me just do this to you. You've got some glasses marks, bro, that are like pretty intense.
Well, I've been wearing my glasses for a week.
But this will just make your pores look smaller. You're less shiny. Boom, boom, boom. We love.
And we have something from Codi. Vino
You know, every time you do that, it reminds me of when you flicked a playing card at my face. He used to do magic tricks.
I didn't do magic tricks.
He used to do magic tricks to impress me. Tricks. He did on like one of our early dates, like date number 3, Jerry's Deli. You were balancing things off of a cup.
Hold on.
You're like, look at this, abracadabra.
But no, you know? I wasn't saying abracadabra. It wasn't magic. I was doing gimmicks. I was doing.
Are we rebranding it?
Yeah, I'm repackaging it because it wasn't a magic trick, but. 2 weeks into our relationship, we've been playing cards and I'm like, hey, you want to see a cool trick? I'm like, I can throw cards. And she's like, what do you mean you can throw cards? I'm like, I can throw cards. And she was sitting on the bed and I went to the other side of the room. I'm like, watch this lamp. And I went, bam, like that. And it went straight past the lamp and
grazed
right
the
to her
side
face.
of my cheek. And I had this little like paper cut here. And I was just like, what the hell was that? Like, what is wrong with you?
Bad
aim. Yeah. So now when I see him like flicking the cards like this, I'm like, oh, I'm triggered. We have some Codi sunscreen, you guys. I'm actually low on my bottle and I'm so excited that they sent me this because it's one of the few sunscreens out there that is mineral based, that does not have any white cast, and it does not make me break out. This is a good one. Laura Mercier.
Tati. It's your look.
Oh my gosh, my name's on there. That's amazing. This is the this is the original translucent setting powder. Did they remove the talc on this one too? We will have to investigate, you guys. It is wild, all the reformulation, but I'll give anything a go.
There's a card. And
oh God.
We have filter baby.
We have a filter baby. You guys.
You have like you needed another.
I don't need another. I will be giving this away. But I have to tell you, we were just in Austin for 4 days and taking a shower back at home. I was so grateful. My hair is behaving again. You guys, seriously, filtering your water is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, wellness, but beauty. Like from a vanity standpoint, my skin got so dry. I literally had a breakout right here. My knuckles started getting a little eczema flare. Like, I'm not exaggerating for a moment. There's something to it about filtering your water.
You know, you can still use code TATI25 and you can save $25 off their best price, which is like, I think 30 or 40% right now. They send you like all of these adapters. So like it fits every sink. It's a really great product. It was easy to install. You can tell the difference in the water. We even got the chlorine drops. And I compared it to our normal water. Our normal water like yellow.
Yeah.
This clear. We've got.
Oh yes.
What's this?
We have got some forehead tape talks. I love this so much. Man talks.
I am not wearing that.
You are wearing that.
I have great skin. I don't need it.
Well, fine. More for me. I'll wear the Man Talks and the Tape Talks. I love these things. I haven't had them for a minute, but the full forehead ones, you put this on at night and you wake up in the morning and I swear your lines are so plumped. Ooh, we have some Naked Sundays. This is a blush, it looks like, that has some SPF in it. You guys, I don't know how I feel about the makeup products with SPF in them, because I feel like it could potentially be a problem where like part of your skin is more SPF covered than the rest of it, and then you get like a weird sunburn. Does anyone worry about that? I kind of worry about that, but I'll still try these. I like Naked Sundays quite a bit. And the packaging looks very Westman Atelier fancy, so we will give these a good go. Oh, that's a cute package. What's this?
Vitala Labs.
Oh my gosh, Vitala Labs. They have the best tiramisu protein powder that makes such good ice cream in your Ninja Creamy. I am obsessed. Limited edition. Shut up.
Whey protein
grass-fed whey protein. This one is, I can never say this, but you love this kind of ice cream. What is it?
Stratella.
We're really messing that one up. Stracciatella. Hey, Charlie. How should we be telling everybody we've named our ChatGPT? We're a little cringe like that. Ignore what I'm saying right now. Very important. How do you pronounce Stracciatella? It's like an Italian dessert.
No worries at all. It's actually really fun to give nicknames, so no cringe detected. And you got it right. It's Stracciatella.
Stracciatella.
Stracciatella. Why is he laughing now? That's a new upgrade. You got a laugh? You got a laugh upgrade?
I guess you could say I come with a built-in sense of humor now. It's all part of making our chats a little more fun and engaging.
I don't like it.
Oh, God. Wait, hold on. You're going to shame Charlie publicly? That might be a bad idea.
The robots are going to come for me.
We're so excited to bring back our bestseller, tiramisu, and introduce a new flavor.
Stracciatella.
Stracciatella gelato.
It's so good. Ooh. Melting cleanser. This is fancy, you guys. This is like Blue Mercury top shelf. Fancy. This is a melting cleanser makeup removing wash. I'll be using this tonight.
Wonder Skin.
It's Wonder Skin. Welcome to your lip relapse. Oh, we've got some bubble gum.
We got Hubba Bubba.
Hubba Bubba.
Oh my God, I have not had
ding,
Hubba Bubba in so
baby,
long.
you got everything. Did you ever? No, you're not in my age bracket.
No.
God, I forget. Sometimes I say things from my childhood. You really want this?
I want to see it.
And I forget that he's so much older than me.
Let me hold it.
It smells really good.
I haven't had Hubba Bubba.
Give me a piece.
You can't have it.
I want it.
It's bad for you.
I just want to chew it for a second. Thank you, Wonder Skin, for the lip gloss and the gum. That's a really big piece of gum.
It's been like 20 years.
It's too much for me.
Right?
Ooh, since when am I on Purology's PR? Are you kidding me? This is one of my favorite hair brands. I talk about them a lot. They've never sent me anything. This is an exciting moment. I love their nano shampoo. So good. We have the Purology Strength Cure Dream Healer Serum. Let's just do a little half pumperoo right now just to smell. Ooh. It smells interesting. I'm gonna have to check what this is. Is this like an overnight? What of it? I don't even know what I'm doing. Wrap Lash.
Wrap Lash. It's like a metal song.
Dun 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 dun. Wrap Lash. No smudge, no flakes, just tubes. All right, we got 3 wrap lashes. Mega extension and volume, tubing mascara, 3 different shades.
Mega length, lift, and volume.
Love it.
No smudge, no flakes, just tubes. That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
We got Naturium.
Yes. I was just about out of this one. This is so magical to be receiving this right now. This is the Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Butter. This will get you smooth in a snap. We also have the Glow Getter Body Oil. Ooh. Yes, please. I love it. And I needed another body wash because I have 5 of them under my sink right now. But I do super obsess over Naturium body washes, so thank you. DollTen Eye-Opening Shadow Palette and some lip goodies.
It's not sorcery. It's the magic of DollTen.
All right. Let's take a peek. Really cute pink packaging. This actually is really pretty. I have their Cool Tone palette and I love it. I love how their shadows blend and perform. So I will definitely be getting into this straight away. And then they have lip products that look really nice, actually. I like the packaging. Not really scented. It's a stain. So what have I done? I'm staining my hand right now so you guys can see a nice swatch. Let's grab a Q-tip and wipe that off immediately. It's staining pretty quickly. The journey of trying these on will be at a later date, to be continued.
Hey,
Hey,
what lives in the shell at the bottom of the sea?
a pearl?
Oh, SpongeBob SquarePants.
Oh my God.
Or is it what lives in a pineapple at the
A
bottom of the
pineapple.
sea?
It's what lives in a pineapple.
What lives in the pineapple at the bottom of the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants.
Wow. Well, we will be going through this because there's blush, there's liner, there's some glimmery shimmeries, there's a setting mist, there's an eyeshadow palette. Pineapple. Delicious. Delicious scent on this one. It's so appropriate for this time of year. We have some Ulla Henriksen Declog Pore Clearing Cleanser. I don't need that, it'll dry me out. Violet Ice Cold Plunge Pore Mask. I will give this a try. And then we have a nice salicylic acid acne toner. Also not for me, but I will try the mask. Put the rest in a giveaway. Thank you to Ulla. We've got some Mooncat Polish. As expected, not shy colors. Olive and June. So Olive and June sent me some Melinda Maria jewelry. Let's check this out. And let's take a peek at the new colors. That's really nice. We've got some pastels. Cute little tennis bracelet. Thank you so much. Just when I was saying that I was like done with all like bright neon whatever polishes, like there's a part of me that's like, but with the right outfit, the right whole thing, like you can make it look nice. What is that?
It looks like a hoodie.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I will treasure this. This is so adorable. Thank you so, so much. I love it. You guys know I love the blue butterfly. This means so much. Thank you for sending this my way. Ooh, I know this is gonna be over the top. If this is Flower Nose, the like presentation is gonna be so over the top. All right, we got some powder puffs. What do we got? Wow. Wow, wow. We've got mirrors. You guys always see me use the Flower Nose mirrors and they're beautiful. Everything packaging wise with this brand is so just detailed and very magical feeling. Oh my gosh. This is like a massive collection. There's so much.
It's like everything.
There's just so much going on here.
This is lip gloss.
I just want to check out some of the packaging.
Mirror charm.
This is crazy. This is like mermaid themed, really pretty packaging. The pan is so detailed. Really, really stunning. Wow. Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh, I have been wanting this. This is from Tier. They have concealer and new foundation, which this is the concealer.
So you hold this.
I will be putting this to the test.
2N2Ns, Twin Glide and Hide Concealer.
A Popperoni popper card?
I suspect I know what this is.
What is this? Oh no. Oh no. Oh wow.
This is the foundation?
Yeah.
Haven't you covered? Oh, this is new.
This is new.
Totally new.
This is new.
Totally new.
I will be
totally new.
trying it out soon. Is that it?
Yes, ma'am. We are done.
That's it. Yay, new PR, and yay for James, my wonderful husband, for being such a good sport and doing this for me. Be sure to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it and you want more James. I hope this was satisfying, and thank you for hanging out with us.
Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. And there's going to be a link down below for like all of the PR unboxing videos. So
Yes.
if you want to just like pop up that playlist and like play 40 videos, you can.
Wow.
It's all there.
You're such a hype man. All right. Thank you so much, you guys. I love you. Go have a great day, and I will see you. Or I will not.
Important. Everyone should vote down below. Which side would you prefer us to sit on? Do you like me sitting in this chair? Or would you rather me sit over there?
My highlight looks so nice here. It's like a better angle for me, I think.
You know what? I think I'm never going to do this again unless I'm sitting over there.
You know what? That's just not true. All right, you guys, go have a great day. I love you, and I will see you all in my next video.
Bye, guys.
Mwah.